Welcome to Financify. In this video, I'll show you how to demo trade on eToro using your mobile device. Let's get started. First, launch the eToro app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, tap the menu icon at the top left corner. Scroll down and select Switch to Virtual. Then, tap on Switch to Virtual Portfolio. This activates your demo trading account. Use the search bar at the top to find the asset you want to trade. For example, let's search for Tesla. Tap on the asset and then click the trade button to open the trading window. Set your trade parameters like the amount you want to invest, leverage, stop loss, and take profit levels. Adjust these settings based on your strategy. Once everything is set, tap Open Trade or Buy. Your demo trade will be placed immediately. To check your trade's performance, go to the Portfolio tab. Here, you can see all your active and closed trades. And that's how you demo trade on eToro using your mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Financify for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.